An inclusive outreach team of 6 students will be chosen. There are 9 students in total, 3 mentors, 3 club leads, and 3 athletes. The team must include at least 2 mentors, at least 1 club lead, and at least 2 athletes. However, Anna is a mentor, and Yara is a club lead. They cannot both be chosen for the team, because they are already assigned together to another support shift. How many different outreach teams are possible? Pause the video. Try it before I show the trick. Hint, the minimums add up to 5. So there is only 1 extra spot to distribute. Here is the capstone trick. 2 big steps. Step A, find the valid group splits. The minimums are 2 mentors, 1 club lead, and 2 athletes. That sums to 5. We need 6 on the team, so we have 1 extra spot. The extra can go to any of the 3 groups, giving these 3 valid splits. Split 1, 2, 2, 2. 2 mentors, 2 club leads, 2 athletes. 3 choose 2 times 3 choose 2 times 3 choose 2. 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. Split 2, 2, 1, 3. 2 mentors, 1 club lead, 3 athletes. 3 choose 2 times 3 choose 1 times 3 choose 3. 3 times 3 times 1 equals 9. Split 3, 3, 1, 2. 3 mentors, 1 club lead, 2 athletes. 3 choose 3 times 3 choose 1 times 3 choose 2. 1 times 3 times 3 equals 9. Total teams, 27 plus 9 plus 9 equals 45. Step B, subtract the bad teams. Bad teams are where Anna and Yara are both chosen. After fixing Anna and Yara, we need 4 more spots from 2 mentors, 2 club leads, and 3 athletes, with at least 1 more mentor and at least 2 athletes. The valid splits of 4 are 1 mentor, 0 club leads, 3 athletes. 2 times 1 times 1 equals 2. 1 mentor, 1 club lead, 2 athletes. 2 times 2 times 3 equals 12. 2 mentors, 0 club leads, 2 athletes. 1 times 1 times 3 equals 3. Bad teams. 2 plus 12 plus 3 equals 17. So the answer, 45 minus 17 equals 28 teams. The capstone uses every prior tool. Reserve the minimums from L0, combinations for the groups, subtract the bad from L2. The answer is 28 teams. Let me show you the big idea. This is the quotas and exclusion rule. If each group has a minimum and the team has extras to distribute, then enumerate every valid split. Sum the products of C of n, k, then subtract teams containing a forbidden pair. Look for the words at least k from each group with a global team size. That is when this rule applies. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.